Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Sisasephezulukayo indaba ingane zesithembu season 3 iyaqala ke mhla ka 25 May 7 o'clock. We can't wait already. We saw the thriller of it. Sibonile uTirelo apha akhipha isigaxa sokubana uMpumelelo we've got a girlfriend and ufuna ukuyilobola leyo girlfriend. Like uTilero uxelela uTatumuzi ukubana this is what is happening. uMpumelelo has a girlfriend and uselungiselela ukuyemlobola, and hence that ukuthi babo babini uMpumelelo noVuyokazi abakalotsholwa. Let's say uTirelo, because uVuyokazi yena decided ukubana hayi anisazingeni ezindaba. She even got herself engaged and we saw all the process kaVuyokazi getting engaged and getting loboled by another man. Siyazibona ke indaba zabo nje bonke ulwandle naye nje ngathi everything that uMpumelelo, uBhubezi, uSibindi siyaphilisa siphinde. Hey guys, it's gonna come hot and happening. Usne, yes, angugel Usne. Oh, Usne always has something. Usne has always has something, bringing out old grudges and stuff like that. Usne and below, like yo, hi, a relationship, yeah, no. Yeah, these are real siblings, these are real sisters. It's a pity ukubana hai. It is happening in most families ukubana you find two sisters okanye one and the other sister, they don't get along. So we see here futhi uTirelo confronting uMpumelelo ambuza ukubana your dad came to see me angibuza about the girl. So uTirelo uyasho ukubana hayi wonke lama message uwabone efonini kaBhubezi kaMpumelelo njengoba nje wazibiza ngeBhubezi. Ngiyakhumbula ngalo suku weni uTirelo noVuyokazi bacishe babambana ngezandla. I'm sure naye uTirelo thought ukubana ukuhamba kukaVuyokazi is going to give her more chance for her to be lobolad okanye to be married by uMpumelelo. So I feel like uTirelo naye she's still going to feel that hate that Vuyokazi was feeling ukubana njani kaloko kuzokuthiwa abanye abantu abazele ngemva okanye njani kaloko you going to say ukubana you want a virgin girlfriend that you prefer to be your first wife. I guess uBhubezi usaqhubeka ke naleqhinga lakhe lokubana he wants to marry a first wife, that he wants that woman to be a pure virgin. So we can't wait, Kosiami. We cannot wait for Ingane Zesithembu season 3. It's coming soon. It will be happening May 25 May. It's gonna start again. Let me know what do you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.